This may look like chaos, but it's actually very organized. I think. On my channel, I talk about sustainability and how to make that work for your lifestyle, no matter what budget you have. If you walk into your closet and it's full of clothes that don't fit your personality and don't fit your lifestyle right now, deciding what to wear in the morning actually feels super overwhelming. I've reached the point right now where I feel like I have so much garbage clothing in the mix that it's actually hard to go in and find the clothes that make me feel good and happy and like myself. From my previous video on my closet clean out, I gave a lot of really good tips on how to get started in this process. So I wrote down those 7 questions right here. It says, "Hey clothes, I got 7 questions for you." Number 4 is it worn out and needing replacement? And I left some space here to write down if I don't have something already similar in this giant pile of clothes, then I'm gonna write it down that I wanna replace it someday. And also, meanwhile, while I'm picking out clothes that I do and don't want, I'm also going to be sewing and fixing clothes. So let's get started. This jacket that is actually a little bit sentimental for me because I bought this in some random marketplace and I spoke in German to get the jacket. It is getting pretty old and it has a few holes in it and it has like no lining in the inside. So I have to get rid of it, which is happening here. This is from Forever 21, so we know it's crappy. The thing about it that is so bad is this bottom right here, and it makes it look so cheap. Every time I wear it, I cannot make it look good. I have not worn this in like 10 years. It doesn't really feel very adult to me anymore and doesn't really match the style that I am trying to portray now. And I'm also not a huge fan of crop tops. I think that they make me look a little kiddish. Okay, I actually really love this sweater. It's actually pretty itchy, so when it is Christmas time, I actually barely even wear it. This was given to me for free. Everything about it just kind of screams cheap to me. It also has this weird sheen to it that fabric should not have. It kind of gives it this like plasticky feel or plasticky look to it. I just want my wardrobe to finally be adult and high quality. I actually hate wearing yellow and it's like an extra large and I don't wear extra large, so why have I had this for so long? Fits me technically, but because it shows so many bumps, it's really hard to wear it. I did wear this one time and I liked it that one time I wore it, but whenever I wear things that are strapless, it makes my shoulders look extra broad, and that's not really the style I really want to go for. Why are you in my closet? It's like stripes and see-through, which is really cool. I'm thinking back to the time when I did wear business casual every day. I didn't even wear this shirt very often. I was thinking about getting rid of this dress. When I wore it, it's supposed to be bodycon, but again, it was like really baggy in this little midsection right here. I borrowed a sewing machine from somebody and I was able to take it in. So now it fits actually really well and it's actually pretty cute again. I would say vintage Target. It's been around a while. I think that these buttonholes right here kind of date it a little bit. They're very cute, but the thing is whenever I wear them and I sit down, it kind of pulls down a little bit and it tries to show my butt crack. These are replaced and I can finally get rid of them, which is good because I stopped wearing them a long time ago. I got it in college because I was like, I'm gonna need this for interviews. Have I worn it one time? No! This is meant for fabric shaving. It is so awesome. So, you know shirts that get those pillings all over them and they'll start to look kind of gross and not so great? Well, this can take them off. It is actually the most beautiful, amazing thing you've ever seen. I got really lucky with some free thread and some free needles of a variety of different colors to help extend the life of my wardrobe. Now it's just time to put my clothes I want to keep away and the other clothes in either the purgatory box or the donation box. I used to try to organize by color and make it very, very exact where it faded perfectly from dark to light. But it became super, super frustrating and really stressful in my closet because I would get a little bit lazy and just like put it back in the color section. And then one day I'd look at it and be like, oh no, all my colors are mixed up. But if I just keep blocks of like general whites, general browns, general pinks, general green, blue, black, then it's a lot better for me and a lot less to think about. Because right here is going back home to my family. This one right here is gonna go to resale shop. These right here are going just straight to Goodwill because they're just not the best and nobody's gonna wanna buy them, and it's also just like some pillows and some plates and stuff I don't need. This goes to another sister in a different city, and these are all my shoes. I have a friend coming over right now to try on some stuff to see if she wants anything. Okay guys, I think I did it. I successfully got rid of a lot of clothes and I also successfully destroyed my living room. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching guys, and I will see y'all in the next video.